you guys making today?
Sushi!
Everyone can slowly stand up. Come closer to the chef table.
Sushi has both sides. One is sideways, one is rough side.
The rough side is going to face up. Yeah, it's a hand. This is called handful rice. Show me your hand. So she'll need 2 handful rice.
I just separate one and here.
Now everyone can show me 3 fingers, which is 1 thumb, 2 bunny fingers. So show me 2 bunny fingers and thumb. You need to get a cucumber. So your thumb, it's go underneath the mat. So can you see the thumb underneath the mat? All right. And your 2 bunny finger, it's gonna hold the cucumber. So and then you can start rolling. Yeah. So the first roll, make sure your bamboo mat is touching the seaweed, and lift up your bamboo mat and roll it again. Yeah. Squeeze again evenly. Apply evenly. Right.
3 back. 1,
1, 2, 3. Yeah. Then lift up. Wow.
So have you learned how to do it? Are you ready?
Yes!
Ready?
Yes!
Can you tell me what that is, Vito?
Seaweed!
Seaweed. You like to eat seaweed? Which part of the seaweed needs to go down? What did you learn? Was it rough one or the shiny one?
The shiny one.
Shiny one needs to go down. Let me see.
What goes next?
What do you put in the seaweed?
Not shiny. Separate.
Oh, well done.
漂亮，是不是？让妈妈给你照个相。我不能照相啊。
Let me see your sushis. Vito, let me see your sushi.
What's the name of the second roll? Inside our roll. Now, because it's inside out, we can put some texture. So I'm going to apply the white sesame seed. Sesame seed go everywhere. So I'm going to pat on the rice. Now I'm going to flip it over because we're making inside our roll, so everyone can see. Yeah. I flip it over. So and then you can choose it if you like. This is a crab stick. We have a crispy chicken. So my thumb again go underneath. Thumb. Right. Bunny fingers. Here we go.
Are you guys enjoying this so far?
Yes!
You want a chicken one?
I'm getting one.
You're gonna get a crab one?
I'm getting a chicken one. Getting crab.
Crab. What are you getting?
Chicken.
What are you getting, Vito?
Chicken.
Oh, sesame.
Whoa, yummy. Whoa. Is it yummy?
Looks yummy.
Yummy.